for those of you of a Rover persuasion, here's what we have on offer for you at the NEC this year. So here we have the Rover 800, 600 stand. We have a 600, we have an 800 Vitesse Coupe. Tanya's still checking her phone in her MG Maestro, which won't be staying there, but nonetheless we have some Maestros and Montegos down here. So this is a Montego Mayfair, which is, shall we say, undergoing restoration. Need quite a bit of restoration, I think. And here we have a Maestro van. Used to be so common, we used to see them everywhere. Where are they now? Who knows? And over here we have a really rather delicious Maestro in absolutely exquisite condition. 10,000 miles on the clock only. Just have a look at that. Have a look at that. Over here we have things still happening on the Rover Sports Register stand. We have a very interesting 800 over there in a very unusual colour. It is in fact a Fiat yellow, we believe. Go and look at that, shall we? Here it is. Have a look at that. It's a Sterling fastback. And have you ever seen one in that colour before? I bet you haven't. Look at that. Over here we have the daddy of them all. Yep, it's an SD1 Vitesse. V8S and a later generation Vitesse. And there's all sorts of other wonderful things here at the NEC this year. Look over here, we have Land Rovers and Range Rovers, and over there MG Midgets, and over there more wonderful things. Just want to see it? Come to the show. Come to the show. We're here open from tomorrow, Friday, all the way through until Sunday. It's going to be a fantastic show. So much going on at this show. So many things to see. So many wonderful cars to look at. Well, I think you have to agree. If you're on the Rover 800 Owners Club Facebook group, you'll probably agree that has got to be one of the most fantastic things you're going to see at this show. Well, let's go and have a look at the 200s. Let's go and have a quick little look at the R8s and the R3s. And what do we have down here? We have a really very, very, very shiny 200 VI. 400. And over here, 216 GSI was originally in the K plate and has been completely refurbished for extraordinary amounts of money. It costs the owner. Tomcats. Some lovely Tomcats. We're still getting the whole show put together here. It's all been put together. That's why everyone's walking around in high-vis vests. But tomorrow, the show will be open to the public. Come and join us. Come and visit us here on the Rover 800 stand.